In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the crusher foot. So this foot helps you to crush beads in your fabric, and it makes the work really easy. So instead of using hammer to break and all of that, you can use this. So we're going to set it up now for you to see. It comes, when you buy, it comes in 3 compartments. I say compartments, 3-piece, right? So this is a plate, machine plate. This is the one that crushes, right? And then this is a screw that helps you to open the nut by the side and close it. So what you want to do is, first of all, take out your presser foot that comes with your industrial machine. Then you want to remove the plate from your industrial machine, because we have to remove the teeth that pushes and moves fabric. You are the one who will control the fabric when you want to break the beads. Okay, so we're going to remove the plates now. So now that we're done removing that, we'll also remove the teeth. Remove the teeth as well. You also remove, so now we are removing the teeth, and then you would also remove the needle, because you won't be needing the needle. Okay, so now that we have that, it's time to fix the plates, which is this one. So just set up and you screw. So now that you have this secured, you want to take this that comes with the back of the crusher foot you bought, and then loosen out the screw a bit so that they can allow you push it in. So once you are done with unscrewing, just to be sure that it's not going to be affecting anything on your way, the next thing you want to do is come, so this thing that holds your needle here, you want to remove it. You can use your screwdriver to press out. So it might not be as easy as this, because I removed it before, but you want to ensure that you just press, just press this way to push it down, so this goes out. Okay, and then you replace with this. So we push this in. You push this in. Try to make sure it goes in enough, and screw by the side. And the other side. Then once you are done doing that, you want to press down for us to also see here. So press down to see if it doesn't eat. It's not supposed to eat this plate. Okay, it's not supposed to eat this plate here. Roll the balance wheel, you realize that it goes up, comes, but can you see there's a space in between the plate and this? So that means that you have secured it well. If your own eats the plate, then it means that you have to push this up a bit more. You have to push this up a bit more and then screw. So let's put on the machine and start to work with it with our beaded fabric. But I'm also trying to ensure that the screw is well secured. So we have our beaded fabric. So now it's important for you to know that you are the one who will move the beaded fabric yourself. So this fabric has a lot of beads. It has a lot of both big and small. I'll focus on the big one so that you can see how well it will break. So I'm going to position this just right under here, and for you to see how it works. So first of all, I'm going to take it slowly. You want to take it slowly first. I can see it's on it, but then it will need pressure. So let's go. So So if it's not breaking like this, that means the space between them are too much. The space between when this lands and when it hits the bead is too much. So we need to bring it down a bit. That's exactly what you would do. I would unscrew and bring it down. Please, when you want to start using it, make sure you are pressing the machine slowly first, so that you have an idea of how it works before you now put in the speed. So now that we brought it down a bit, let's see how it works. So I'm looking for where we have the big beads and it will start to break. So you have to be careful. It's very sharp. Slowly. So you see how it breaks. So the sound you can hear also tells that it's breaking the beads. So it makes it really fast when it comes to breaking beads. So you can see all of this area is clear of the big beads. So that's how you use it. You set up and use. It makes your work faster when it comes to breaking of beads, and the machine just does the work for you fast and easy.